Welcome back. This is Mr. Hassan's Maths channel. I'm now answering question number 12 from the February-March 2023 paper 2, variant 2 from the IGCSE 0580 syllabus. This question here is about polygons. It says in a regular polygon, very important word here for the polygons, a regular polygon, the interior angle and the exterior angle are in the ratio interior to exterior 11:1. Find the number of sides of this regular polygon. So basically, a regular polygon is one in which all the sides are the same length and all the angles are the same size. So just say that this is just some parts of the polygon. We don't know exactly what it looks like for now, but I'm going to extend these lines across a little bit so we can see the interior and exterior angle. Now, this is the interior angle. Let's call it X. This is the exterior angle, let's call it Y. So we know that the ratio of the interior angle to the exterior angle is 11:1. Okay, and I know that the sum of the exterior and interior angles is 180 because they form a straight line. The interior and exterior angle always form a straight line. So we know that these two angles add up to 180. Okay, so basically these two angles are, share 180 in the ratio 11:1. So we got to take 180 degrees, which is the sum of those, and we got to share it in these two ratios. So we find out the number of shares altogether, which is 12, 11 plus 1. So we know that one share is going to be 180 divided by 12. So the interior angle will be 180 over 12 times 11, and the exterior angle will be 180 over 12 times 1. Okay, so we do 180 divided by 12. Okay, and you multiply that by 11. That gives you 165. So 165, and of course what must be left is 15. 180 over 12 is going to be 15, of course. If we just take this away, that's going to be 15, because it must add up to 180. So this is 165, and this is 15. So we want to find the number of sides of this polygon. Right now, the number of sides of a regular polygon can be found very easily by basically taking the total sum of the exterior angles. The sum of the exterior angles in any polygon is going to be 360 degrees. If you divide that by the exterior angle, the size of each exterior angle, that will give you the number of sides. So 360, if you divide that by 15, okay, that gives us our answer 24. So there's 24 sides to this polygon. Okay, it's a regular polygon. So once you found what you know is basically that these two share 180 degrees in the ratio 11:1. It's like you have two people, they're sharing this number of sweets in this ratio. How do you find how much each gets? It's the same thing. These both share 180 degrees because they add up to 180 degrees in the ratio 11:1. So this takes 11 parts, it takes 1 part out of 12. Okay, so you can say 11 over 12 times 180 and 1 over 12 times 180. You can do it this way, whichever way you prefer. But basically, we worked out the interior angle at each corner is 165 and the exterior angle at each corner is 15. So the easiest way then to find the number of sides is to divide 360 by 15. Why? Because the sum of the exterior angles is fixed, always 360, no matter how many sides it has. So that's the easiest thing to do. We could have used 180 times n minus 2 divided by n. We would do 180 times the number of sides minus 2 over n equals 165. And we could have solved this equation to find what the value of n is. But that's a lot of hassle. It's much easier to do it this way. You have to do 180 times n minus 360 equals 165n. Subtract 165n from both sides and all that. So it's going to be a lot more hassle. So it's much easier to do it in this way, where you just divide the total sum of the angles, of the exterior angles, by the size of each angle. That tells you how many sides it has. Okay, so that completes question number 12 from the February-March 2023 paper. Other questions from this paper can be found in the playlist that will appear over here. Other questions from this paper, from this topic of angles in polygons, can be found in the playlist over here. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking on this link, and this video that links here will tell you how to use my channel to find other things you might be interested in my channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.